Chandra has long been an object of romantic fantasy, often described as a floating butterball across the night sky. He is the second most important graha in the Navagraha system of the Jyotisha Shastra. He governs the mind, emotions, and the subtle rhythms of life on earth. Invoking the energies of Chandra is supportive to one's emotional balance, mental clarity, and inner calm. In this video, we'll learn a simple shloka and some practices through which we can worship Chandra Bhagavan. I will chant the shloka first. You can simply listen and pay close attention to the pronunciation of each sound. Then we'll explore the word-by-word meanings in extreme detail, and at the end, when I chant the shloka one more time, you can join along with me. Before we start, the Sanskrit channel is an effort to present profound principles from our Shastras with authentic Sanskrit references. Do consider supporting our efforts through one-time contributions or monthly memberships, which come with exclusive benefits. Vayam Dhanyasmaha. The shloka on Chandra Bhagavan goes like this. Dadhi Shankha Tusharabham Kshirodarnava Sambhavam Namami Shashinam Somam Shambhor Makuta Bhushanam. Let us now look at the word-by-word meanings. The first word of the shloka is Dadhi Shankha Tusharabham. To the one who is white like the curd, a conch, and snow. This highlights Chandra's cooling, gentle glow. Ancient observers compared his glow to naturally occurring white objects, which also have a naturally cooling and soothing quality to them. The next word of the shloka is Kshirodarnava Sambhavam, to the one who is born out of the ocean of milk. In a Puranic context, Chandra is born when the Asuras and the Devas churn the ocean of milk. Symbolically, he represents a nectar-like essence drawn from the depths of existence. The next part of the shloka is Namami Shashinam. I bow down to the one who is like a rabbit. This represents two things. Shashi literally means a quick moving one. This refers to his quick cycles around the earth. He is the one who has quickest transitions among any other grahas that we see. Shashi is also a word for a rabbit because a rabbit is quick moving, and also Chandra has a rabbit-like mark or a blemish on his surface, which the traditions refer to as a rabbit-like blemish, the one who carries a rabbit. So, Namami Shashinam. The next word of the shloka is Somam, to the one who is Soma. Soma is both a divine drink that bestows immortality and is also a deity who governs over plants and herbs. In Jyotisha, Soma represents the nourishing, life-enhancing aspect of moon's influence. The last word of the shloka is Shambhor Makuta Bhushanam, to the one who adorns or ornaments the crown of Lord Shiva or Shambhu. Chandra adorns Lord Shiva's head, representing Shiva's mastery over time and his own mind, reaching the highest state of bliss within himself. With this understanding, let us chant this shloka one more time together. Dadhi Shankha Tusharabham Kshirodarnava Sambhavam Namami Shashinam Somam Shambhor Makuta Bhushanam. In the Navagraha system, Chandra comes immediately after Surya, once again not because of his physical distance, but because of his profound influence on life on earth. His waxing and waning phases, called Tithis, form the basis of the lunar calendar, deciding the timing of countless festivals and rituals. Once again, the word Graha does not mean planet. It refers to something that grabs, holds, or wields an influence. Chandra holds an influence over the mind, manas, of all beings. He governs our sleep cycles, the tides, plant growth, and even fertility patterns. His position in the birth chart is a key determinant of emotional temperament and mental stability. Chanting his shloka on a Monday, Somavara, or on a full moon, Purnima, aligns us with his cooling and balancing influence. Traditionally, Chandra worship includes offering white flowers, rice or milk, and sometimes fasting on Mondays or Somavaras. Once again, this is not superstition, it is tuning oneself to the subtle rhythms of the moon. So the next time you see the moon rising, white as the curd, conch or snow, remember, it is not just another ball of dirt in the cosmos. What you're looking at is the crown jewel of Shiva himself, the nectar-born nourisher of life, and the mind's own graha. Also, consider supporting our projects through one-time contributions or monthly memberships, which come with exclusive benefits. It is your support that enables us in presenting these profound principles from our Shastras in their most authentic format. Check out all the links in the description and in the pinned comment. See you in the next video of this series. Namaskaram.